And as each one of you Vedica scholars goes out into the world to embrace your new life, I have many wishes for you. I'm deeply conscious that this celebratory moment punctuates what has been a long and perhaps traumatic year for many of us. Just as we thought we were emerging from the pandemic, we witnessed unprecedented loss and disruption again. But I want you to remember, no pressure, no diamonds. No pressure, no diamonds. In many ways, you are blessed to have witnessed such unnatural pressures so early in your lives to let the diamond emerge. And as you go into the world, I hope the diamond in you will shine all the more brightly and leave the world a wee bit better than you found it. Nora Ephron said, "Be the heroine of your life, not the victim." Unlike my generation, you can't say nobody told you there were other options. Your education is a dress rehearsal for a life that is yours to lead. 25 years from now, you won't have as easy a time making excuses as we did. You won't be able to blame the dean or the culture or anyone else. You will have no one to blame but yourselves. Be anti-fragile, stay the course, and don't give up. Don't give up on people who love you, and don't give up on happiness. Magic happens when you don't give up, even though you want to. The universe always falls in love with a stubborn heart. My precious class of 21, let the Vedica in you shine, crazy and bright forever. Good luck, God bless you, and don't quit.